Looking for the best under-sink water filters to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Waterdrop WDTSA 10. Our pick for the best budget under-sink water filter, the Waterdrop WDTSA 10, is here to improve your tap water without costing a fortune. If your tap water tastes like it came from a swimming pool, this filter will save your taste buds. This filter uses 8 stages of filtration in 3 compact filters, giving you excellent performance at an affordable price. It combines KDF and ion exchange resin to remove heavy metals, while activated carbon and polypropylene filters tackle other contaminants in your water. The result? Clean water that tastes great. Despite the thorough filtration process, it still delivers water at a good flow rate of 1 gallon per minute, so you won't have to wait forever for your water. You can connect it to your kitchen faucet or add a separate dispenser. With a filtration capacity of 8,000 gallons and filters that last 6 to 18 months, you'll spend less time replacing filters and more time enjoying clean, great-tasting water. Just keep in mind that this isn't a reverse osmosis system, so it won't remove total dissolved solids, but it will filter out nearly everything else that could make your water taste bad. Number 4. Aquaana AQ5200. Our pick for best compact under-sink water filter. If you're tired of under-sink water filters that require their own zip code, the Aquaana AQ5200 is your new space-saving bestie. This compact genius ditches the third wheel while still delivering water so clean it would make a mountain spring jealous. Don't let its petite profile fool you. This mighty mini tackles 78 contaminants with 99% efficiency. Lead, mercury, chlorine, and even those pesky pharmaceuticals don't stand a chance. It's like having a bouncer for your drinking water, but one that works quietly without asking for ID. You'll get fresh, clean water at half a gallon per minute, quick enough that you won't age significantly while waiting for your glass to fill, and unlike that regrettable tattoo, your kitchen won't suffer any style emergencies with the AQ5200's faucet options in chrome, oil-rubbed bronze, or brushed nickel. With a 500-gallon capacity, these filters stick around longer than most relationships, which is good because you'll quickly become attached to water that doesn't taste like it came from a public pool. Your taste buds will high-five you, your body will thank you, even your plumber will be impressed with how easily you installed it yourself. So go ahead, make your under-sink area and your internal organs equally happy with the Aquaana AQ5200. Your water deserves this promotion. Still searching for the perfect under-sink water filter? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Aqua Clarium Direct Connect. Our pick for best under-sink water filter for apartments. If you've ever played the apartment dwellers version of I Spy, featuring such classics as weird wall stains and mysterious carpet patches, you know the special joy of wanting improvements without losing your security deposit. Enter the Aquaana faucet water filter, your landlord-approved ticket to fancy water without the fancy plumbing degree. This clever little contraption hooks right onto your existing faucet faster than you can say, "What's that smell in my tap water?" No drilling, no begging maintenance to install something, no explaining to your landlord why there's suddenly a hole in the sink. You'll appreciate that it only connects to your cold water line, because let's be honest, you weren't making tea with hot tap water anyway. Please tell us you weren't. This design means you can filter gallons upon gallons of water. Perfect for filling everything from your desperate morning coffee pot to your equally desperate evening wine carafe. Yes, filtering more water means changing filters more often. A small price to pay for not having to lug those giant water jugs up 3 flights of stairs anymore. The real flex. It's certified to remove chlorine, lead, and pharmaceuticals because nothing says adulting quite like caring about what's in your water beyond is it wet. With a capacity of 784 gallons and a flow rate that won't have you aging visibly while filling a glass, your taste buds and your unmodified security deposit preserving rental will thank you. Number 2. Waterdrop G3. Our pick for best tankless under-sink water filter. If you're crushing on reverse osmosis, but your under-sink area has the square footage of a shoebox, the Waterdrop G3 tankless 8-stage RO system is your water filtering soulmate. It's like the tiny house of water filtration, compact, but still packing all the essential features you crave. This little speed demon fills your glass in 12 seconds flat. While other systems are still warming up, you're already hydrating. And talk about efficiency. This water wizard produces a 2-to-1 purified-to-waste ratio while some competitors are wastefully splashing around like they're at a water park. The 8-stage filtration process is like having a bouncer team for your water, polypropylene and carbon block pre-filters, then the ROVIP section followed by more carbon filtering. Your water emerges so clean it practically squeaks. No remineralization here, just pure H2O realness. The included faucet even sports a digital display showing TDS levels and filter lifespan. It only comes in nickel, though, so if your kitchen is rocking a different vibe, you'll have to choose between aesthetics and that fancy screen. Fair warning, you'll need an electrical outlet under your sink. No outlet? You might need to call an electrician faster than you can say hydration station, and there may be drilling involved. This isn't a commitment-free relationship, but for lightning-fast, tank-free filtration, worth it. Your future self will thank you with every crystal-clear sip. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Icering RCC 7K. Our pick for best under-sink water filter overall. If your tap water has you questioning your life choices, the Icering RCC 7K might just be your new kitchen hero. This 6-stage reverse osmosis system doesn't just filter water, it transforms it from what's floating in there to bottled water. Companies hate this one trick. You're getting NSF 58 certified filtration that removes contaminants down to 0.00001 microns. That's so tiny, even bacteria look at it and say, we can't fit through that. While other filters might leave you with flat-tasting water that makes you question why you bothered, this system actually puts good minerals back in with its alkaline remineralization stage. Your coffee will thank you. Sure, it's not the speediest bartender, pouring at 0.052 gallons per minute, but good things come to those who wait, and yes, it's about the size of a small suitcase under your sink. But that's the price of water so clean it makes your ice cubes jealous. The filter replacement schedule is refreshingly simple. Swap out the first 3 stages every 6 months, carbon filter yearly and the RO membrane every 3 years. Your future self will appreciate your current self's excellent decision-making skills. Your water deserves better than whatever municipal cocktail is currently flowing from your tap. You deserve better, and your houseplants, they're just waiting to experience their glow up. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best under-sink water filters. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which under-sink water filter you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.